Dear students, Namaste. Let's go for the exercise 5.2 in geometry. Before that, we can recall our transversal line. Here, we have two parallel lines and one straight line is intersecting the two parallel lines. Hence, it is a transversal line. See the first image, children. We have two parallel lines M and N, and L is the transversal line. So two lines intersecting at a point is a transversal line. Let's see the solution. Here M and N are parallel lines and L is the transversal line. Let's see the solution for option 1, children. What about angle 1 and 2? Yes, angle 1 and angle 2 are exterior angles on the same side of transversal. This is the solution for this. Both are exterior angles. Let's see option 2. Here the two parallel lines M and N and L is the transversal line. And see the angle, children, angle 1 and angle 2 are opposite side of the transversal. Let's see the solution, children. Yes, angle 1 and angle 2 are exterior angles, alternate exterior angles is the solution for second option. See the angle 1 and 2 are alternate exterior angles. Let's see option 3, children. Here the two lines M and N are parallel lines and L is the transversal line. But the angles are same side of the transversal. We can call it as corresponding angles. Let's see the solution, children. Yes, angle 1 and angle 2 are corresponding angles on the same side of the transversal. Let's see the fourth option, children. Here the two lines M and N are parallel lines and L is a transversal line. But see the angle 1 and 2, we have to name the marked pair. So both are interior angles. Here M and N are parallel lines, L is the transversal line. Let's see the solution, children. Yes, here angle 1 and angle 2 are the interior angles on the same side of the transversal. This is the solution for this. Both are interior angles. Shall we go for the option 5, children? Yes. Here also the same thing. M and N are parallel lines and L is the transversal line. The transversal line intersect at the parallel lines at two distinct points. Angle 1 and angle 2 are interior and both are opposite to this. Let's see the solution, children. Here angle 1 and angle 2 are alternate interior angles. Shall we go for the next sum, children? Yes, here M and N are two parallel lines and L is the transversal line. But see the angles, angle 1 and 2, yes, are corresponding angles here. Let's see the solution, children. Here angle 1 and angle 2 are corresponding angles of the same side of the transversal. Next we have to see about the second sum. Find the measure of angle x in each of the following figures. See the first option. Here the same thing. Two parallel lines are there. M and N and L is the transversal line. We have to find out the x value. See the angles x and 35 degree. Let's see the solution, children. Here x and 35 degree are corresponding angles and so they are equal. So x is equal to 35 degree because corresponding angles are equal. Let's go for the option 2, children. Here the same thing. M and N are parallel lines and L is the transversal line. But here the angles are corresponding angles. Yes, the same thing. Angles are corresponding on the, that is, same side of the transversal. So x is equal to the 65 degree. This is the solution for this. Here x and 65 degree are corresponding angles, and so they are equal. So x is equal to 65 degree. Shall we go for the next option, children? Option 3 also. Two angles, two parallel lines is there, M and N. L is the transversal line, and we have the angles or corresponding angles, but x is equal to, we have to equate with 145 degree because we know that corresponding angles are equal. Let's see the solution. Yes, both are corresponding angles, and so they are equal. So x is equal to 145 degree. Let's see the solution for fourth one, children. Here also the same, x and 135 degree are corresponding angles, and so they are equal. So x is equal to 135 degree. Shall we go for the next option, children? Yes, here M and N are parallel lines and L is the transversal line, but transversal line is perpendicular to the parallel line. So it is right angle. Right angle means we know that it is 90 degree. So x is equal to 90 degree. Perpendicular means it is the right angle, so it is 90 degree. X is equal to 90 degree. Let's go for the third sum, children. Find the measure of angle y in each of the following figures. Here the same transversal line is given, that is two parallel lines M and N, and L is the transversal line, but the angles are opposite to the interior position. Let's see the solution. Alternate interior angles are equal, so y is equal to 28 degree. As it is, we have to equate the values. Y is equal to 28 degree. See the second option. Two parallel lines are there and L is the transversal line, but see the angles, both are exterior angle. Yes, both are facing exterior. Here alternate exterior angles are equal, so equate with y variable. Y is equal to 58 degree. Let's try option 3 and option 4 or your homework, children. Practice up to this, children. Thank you.